Hi all, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's Kitchen. A big thank you to all my viewers who have enormously supported my channel. We expect continuous support and make us grow. Enjoy my unique recipes. We reached 1000 subscribers on the day 17 September 2020 at 18:58 hours, which was yesterday. Again, a very big thank you to all. I would like to mention you cannot sleep well, think well, and love well if you haven't dined well. People should eat food to live, should not live to eat the food. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. Being the best is great. I am number one. But being unique is greater. I am the only one. So continue watching my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye bye.